Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your Threads profile private. So open up the Threads app on your mobile phone. Now click on the option that you see at the bottom right hand corner, the profile icon. Now once you are here, click on edit profile at the top. Now at the bottom you can see the option private profile, which is turned off right now. So if you switch to private, only followers can see your threads. Okay, your replies won't be visible to the followers and individuals. So you need to simply turn this on just like this. Okay, now again it is giving that if you switch to public, anyone can see your threads and replies. So we don't want it. Okay, we only want the private profile so that our threads and replies can be seen only by the followers. So once you are done, click on done at the top right hand corner. And now your profile is completely private and only your followers will be able to follow you, see you and see your threads and replies. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.